Then again, welcome to my class, my dear students. So, in today's class, welcome to GSK classrooms. Okay, here today we are going to study the dot structures of CH4 methane, C2H6 ethane, C2H4 ethene, and C2H2 ethine. These are the structures we are having in our textbook, and it is one of the important questions in our examinations, my dear students. First, we take the dot structure of CH4. CH4 is simplest compound called as methane. It is the simplest compound. It is the simplest compound, my dear students, and it is the main component of biogas and CNG, compressed natural gas. The main constituent of biogas is nothing but CH4, and it is used as fuel. The dot structure of CH4 we have to learn. First, we have to write the atomic number of carbon is 6. So, C6, it has in K shell 2 electrons, you know that, and L shell it contains 4 electrons. So, valency is 4. We know that in all our previous classes. And hydrogen, it has only one electron in K shell. So, that's why it needs 4 hydrogen to bond with the carbon simplest compound that called methane. So first we write the valence shell electrons like this, and it needs 4 hydrogen here. 4 hydrogen I write like dots. Okay. Then you have to circle this. After this, you are one more work, you have to circle this. So it needs 8 electrons to get a stable configuration. And here hydrogen, this hydrogen needs only 1 electron to share. Okay, look here, look here. Look here, my dear students, you circle like this. So, it is the electron dot structure of methane. Electron dot structure of methane here. Okay. And it is also write like this, my dear students. You write 4 lines around the carbon atom. One line refers to one covalent bond, and one covalent bond means pair of electrons. There are 2 electrons present here. So this is also the structure of methane. You have to practice this structure. Then we will move to the next dot structure, my dear students. that is second one, ethane, C2H6. Here C double bond, first we bond with, this is the first step. C has bonding with the own carbon atom, and remaining 3 like this. You have to write here, you write hydrogen atoms. This is also called structure of ethane. And again we write the dot structure for this. First you put like this. You have 4 valence electrons, and another carbon also you write here. Write 4 valence electrons, and then it needs hydrogen. So here 3 hydrogens bonded with this carbon atom, and 3 hydrogen with its 1 valence electron bonded with this carbon atom. So now we have to circle it. It is the important step for the electron dot structure, my dear students. So here we make a circle. So here it is the structure of these 2 carbon and hydrogen with their valence electrons. Now we have to circle. We have to circle these. When we count this, sorry, here, look here, my dear students. We put a circle. We put a circle here. So here, when you count the electrons around carbon, you look here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the 3 electrons related to this carbon also, and here also we put one more circle for this carbon atom. So now we have to put circles for hydrogen atoms, because it needs only 2 electrons for its stable configuration, and this is the structure of ethane. This is the structure of ethane, dot structure of ethane. Sorry, you have write like this. Okay, you have circle like this. Okay, and you have one more circle here. You have to do one more circle here. So this is the dot structure of ethane. This is called ethane. This is dot structure of ethane, and this is molecular formula of ethane. So this is also structure of ethane. So then we will move to the next structure. What is that? C2H4. So it is called ethene. Ethane is saturated carbon compound because it contains carbon-carbon single bond. But here 2 carbon needs 6 atoms of hydrogen, but we have here only 4. So how we write this ethene structure means carbon contains double bond here, and remaining two shared with hydrogen atoms, right, like this. This is the structure of ethene. And then we will now going to write the dot structure. Now we are going to write the dot structure of ethene. First you have to write carbon here. So 2 electrons here you write, and 2 electrons right like this, to arrange this in this way. So carbon has 4 electrons, this carbon also has 4 electrons. So bonded with hydrogen, now we have to do that. We put circle for this. And again we put circles for hydrogen. So this is the dot structure of ethene. This is the dot structure of ethene. Okay. Then we will move to the last one. Then we will move to the last one, fourth one, C2H2. So here we call this compound ethyne. Ine means triple bond. One triple bond is there in between carbon and carbon, right, like this, and 2 more hydrogens bonded with these carbon atoms. Then we have to write the dot structure here. So 3 electrons to make a dot structure you write like this, because 3 pairs of electrons bonded with the same carbon only. And then one more you write here, one more you write here. Then 2 hydrogens bonded with this carbon. Then you put circle. You put circle like this. So you count the electrons here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here this carbon also you put like this, one circle. So, and then we have to put circle for hydrogen. So this is the dot structure of ethane. This is the dot structure of ethane. So in this class we learned the dot structure of methane, dot structure of ethane, dot structure of ethene, and dot structure of ethyne. This is very important question in your examination. So thank you very much, my dear students.